Myosotis blue in the morning light, a quiet bloom, a secret fight. Petals whisper, soft and shy, hiding truth beneath the sky. Oh, Myosotis blue, do you remember me? Your tiny heart, so wild, so free. Forget me not, in the endless you, I'll never forget you. Myosotis blue. The meadow hums a song so low, where rivers bend, where shadows grow. A flower's love so pure, so small, but it holds the weight of it all. Fingers brush, the memories fade, but the color stays. It never Oh, Myosotis blue, do you remember me? Your tiny heart, so wild, so free. Forget me not, in the endless you, I'll never forget you. Myosotis blue, you're the tear that falls but never dries, the fleeting glance in strangers' eyes, a love that whispers, a love that sighs, forever living where beauty lies. Myosotis blue in the morning light, a quiet bloom, a secret fight. Petals whisper, soft and shy, hiding truth beneath the sky. Oh, Myosotis blue, do you remember me? Your tiny heart, so wild, so free. fingers brush, the memories fade, but the color stays. It never strays. Myosotis blue, you're the tear that falls but never dries, the fleeting glance in strangers' eyes, a love that whispers, a love that sighs, forever living where beauty lies.